Hey everyone, welcome to another Sheet Director feature video. In this video, we'll explore Sheet Director templates. Sheet Director provides ready-to-use Google Sheets templates that help businesses manage data, automate workflows, and build real-time dashboards quickly and easily. These templates integrate seamlessly with applications like Salesforce, QuickBooks, Zoho CRM, HubSpot, and more. Let's see how to set it up. In Google Sheets, click on Extensions. Select Sheet Director. Choose Spreadsheet Templates. You'll now see a list of available templates. Select the template that matches your business needs and start using it right away. This will open a template sheet. Click the Use Template button to create a copy of the template and automatically open Sheet Director. Then click the Use Now button to load the add-on and run the services. It requires reauthorizing the application, as it was not authorized previously. Once the authorization is completed, the services will run automatically and generate the report. With Sheet Director templates, you can quickly deploy solutions and streamline your business processes without any coding.